morning, guys. Here I'm and my friend Budi. This is a very amazing waterfall that we have to visit. Today is 20 June 2013. My friend Budi and I would like to visit Kedang Ipil waterfalls. You can see the view. This is a very beautiful view. Fantastic waterfall over there, and that's a great place for you to visit. So I suggest you, if you have time or you would like to spend your holiday, you can come to Kedang Ipil waterfall. It could be about 25 minutes from Labaho Olak village. Exactly, it stays in Kutai Kartanegara sub-district. Of course, that you can contact us for more information together. It could be the best and amazing place that I have to visit here, and well, I speechless to say what amazed this. Well, this is very wonderful. The nice and black rock that you can even jump there. You can swim. You can taste the beautiful and the fantastic waterfall, and you know that the harmony of waterfall voice is very great. And I think, well, you won't get any doubtful to visit this place. This place is very amazing. So I think that's all. Thank you.